guys, welcome to this week's video where we are going to be doing some carving. We are in the Indus restaurant in Ubud with Ubud Art Lessons.
We've actually done some lessons through this company before where we did some jewellery making out of silver. It was pretty cool. I'll link that video down below so you can go check it out after this one.
So they are waiting for us inside, so we should probably get going, but we will see you guys in there.
Peace.
Okay, I look very threatening. I'm gonna put that down. Step number 1 is cutting off a chunk of the watermelon so that it sits flat, and then slowly slicing off the skin so that you get all one piece. Getting better.
Yeah.
Oh no. This is hard. You make that look so... You make it look so easy. I don't know if this counts as cheating, but I'm using his to stencil. I've had a stern word. The base needs to be a little bit thinner. He's gonna be so proud of me. Or maybe not. Have his seal of approval. It only took me 4. So, this is what I want mine to look like. We shall see. And it's not my finest work. It's, well, hopefully that's not going to be my finest work, but that's the first one anyway. This one is so good.
That is very good.
Okay. This is complicated.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow, this is hard. Beautiful. He made that look really easy.
What do you think I should make? I don't know about the curved line.
Maybe that one in the middle.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Are you feeling alright?
Nervous?
Yeah?
Yeah. Use your foot?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you try. Yeah.
So I use my toe vise.
Yeah. Too long?
Okay.
Yeah.
You got it all worked out. I hope I didn't hit my toe.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
I gotta say, the foot vise works really well. Do you know what kind of wood it is?
Yeah.
What type of wood?
It's local wood.
Local wood.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, like that.
Jeez. I need to do exercise after that.
Yeah.
Yeah? Stretch.
We make like that for decoration for the temple.
By hand?
Yeah, by hand. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Check this out.
We combinasi the silver.
It's made out of wood.
Wood and combinasi the silver.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
How are you going, Ray?
Good. It's
Yeah?
actually a lot of fun. Guys, I want to apologise in advance. If I knew I was going to be using my foot as a vise, I would have got a pedicure. But it's alright. Let's not film too much of my feet. I'm jealous. Working with a real professional.
Like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah, right.
usually good luck.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. So he's cut the perfect circle for me because I couldn't. There was no way that I was going to be able to cut the circle. But then you turn the circle into a sun, and then you carve out these kind of like petal shapes, and then you, I guess, dig out the in between them. So eventually you will end up with a 3D flower kind of thing, hopefully. We shall see if mine ends up looking like that, but that's the idea anyway.
Cut like that, no, like that.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So I did it wrong. I went a little bit rogue. He's fixing my mistake. It's just starting to kind of come together a little bit, so this is where I'm at the moment.
So is it going to be a flower?
Does it not look like a flower?
It does. I'm just wondering.
I think so.
Okay.
I broke it. What step are we on now, right?
We are making the petals a bit more detailed. I think this is going to be difficult, but here goes nothing.
Let's have a look at it so far. Oh, you're doing good.
Getting there. So right now we're doing the inside of the petals and just giving it a little bit more detail.
Good luck.
All right. I think we all need a massage after this.
How you going?
Good. It's a bit of a workout, I tell you, but I'm really enjoying it.
Yeah?
It's
How are
a
your
lot of
legs
fun.
feeling? How are your legs feeling?
They're cramping. I'll definitely need a massage after. I should have done some stretches before doing this.
We have the expert here.
It's coming together, right?
Yeah. So this is my finished fruit carving. I'm unbelievably proud of it because that took considerably longer than I was expecting. 1.5 hours to make this.
We're making a lot of progress, slowly but surely.
It's looking good.
Getting there, eh? Just doing the finer details now.
Could you do this all day, every day?
No. It's fun trying it and learning about it. So we're finally done. Been here about 1.5 hours doing this. Again, like, I found a new appreciation for carvings. This is the final product.
It's so good.
Thank you, I'm quite happy with it. It's cool that you get to take them home as well.
Okay guys, that sums up this week's video. I ended up doing the fruit carving, which is traditionally done for like Balinese and Indonesian weddings, but I have a newfound appreciation for the carving that they do with the fruit. This was $30. I would say it is pretty child friendly, maybe about 10 and up because you do use sharp knives for the carving, but certainly a family friendly activity if you do decide to do it.
I didn't think it would be this difficult or take this long. I enjoyed every moment of it, don't get me wrong. And it was interesting learning all the tools that go into making this kind of art. This was also $30 for the lesson. As for kids, I would also recommend maybe 10 and up if they're okay with using a knife and chisels and hammers.
Yeah, that's it for this week's video, guys. Don't forget to give it a like if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below on if you have done these lessons or which one you would like to do if you do come to Ubud. We will see you next Friday.